Hi everyone. In this guide, I'll show you how to buy something on Amazon in a few easy steps. Whether you're buying something for the first time or just need a quick reminder, simply follow along and you'll learn how to search for an item, add it to your cart, and place your order. To get started, open the Amazon app or website and sign into your account. Next, use the search bar to find the item you want to buy, then click or tap on the product to view its details, price, images, and available options. Choose the correct size, color, quantity, or other options if needed. Then select Add to Cart. After that, open your cart and review the items you want to purchase. When you are ready, click or tap Proceed to Checkout. Enter or choose your delivery address, select your preferred payment method, and review your order details. Finally, click or tap Place Your Order to complete your purchase, and Amazon will show a confirmation once your order has been successfully placed. And that's how easy it is to buy something on Amazon. I hope this guide helped you understand the process. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. See you in the next one.